Okay, hello everybody. I'm Aiden, and today I'm going to be showing you this book, How to Draw 120 People. It's like, well, today we're going to be drawing the Roman soldier, and that's how it'll look in the end, but I'll be putting a little bit of shading into it. So, I got my piece of paper here, my book here. Let's get into it. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. First, we're going to be working on the shield, which I think I'm going to be drawing about right here. It's got to kind of go a little lower so you can kind of see. Like that. It's pretty much all about how you draw it to how it's going to look. It's going to sit, and I think that I'm going to have to actually put this a little closer, like about right there. And next we're going to do like that. It's a little too long. So, if you like drawing or just paintings, then this is the video for you. You make the head kind of rounded. Here, like that. Kind of. Some kind of helmet for him. It kind of goes like that. You right there that like you should now draw that part there, right? So that's why I drew that. You guys are wondering. Next we're going to be drawing the foot. The boot's like slightly bigger than the foot, so you're going to have to kind of do something like that. Then I guess we'll go kind of like that. So kind of probably look weird at first, but then once you put all the pieces together, it won't look that bad. This is kind of like the bottom of the shoe. Then it comes all around like that, where his toes are going to be. Kind of like that. Then we're going to be making his other leg. Which will be, I kind of don't like how this foot turned out, so I'm just going to erase it and retry it. It kind of looks like I should have made this part a little more right now though. That way, and then he'll have like that, and his toes will come out right here, and the rest I guess I'll shade in later. It's like that. The next foot will just be peering out of from under his shield. It's not going to show any more than that because drew a little too big bump there. So now we're almost done about. We're just gonna have to draw his hand that actually peers out from here. And his hand kind of goes up like that. His tongue's gonna kind of curve like that. And his fingers are going to be like that. Kind of. Then we're going to, on the last step here, we're going to draw all the pretty much little touch-ups and everything. That's all the last step is, pretty much. Like, we're going to draw that up there. And it goes up kind of like that. And then we'll draw the spear like that. Just ends right here about. Go a little higher with it. And there's a little ring here. Then we actually make the spear part. There. We'll just make something like that. And then something like that. About. So now I'm about done with what the book tells me to do. And so I'm going to move on to the shading. Alright, so we're just going to probably shade in the helmet kind of to look like it's going down like that. And so I'm probably going to fast motion the rest of this out. But for now, I'm just going to keep it like this. I'm just going to put some kind of design as if it's like what he does or something like that. It's going to be around here. It doesn't matter, you can put whatever design you want here if you want to do that, or you can just skip the part. We're also going to have to do the face, which is done like that. Then I'm just going to start the rest of the shading now. Slightly darker. Now, toots. Alright, so now that I'm done with the shading, I think this is about as good as we can make the human. If you want, you can maybe, I don't know, add some road or something here. He's like patrolling the streets or something. Yeah, you can make maybe a bush here. And yeah, I'll finish with that later. You could do, I don't know, maybe a city behind him or anything you want to. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Tell me in the comments if you tried making this. It's a fun project if you're bored. And see you later. Bye. Also, if you want to do this step by step from the book, just pause the video and you can follow along that. And there. So stay tuned for the next time I'm going to be drawing the baby. So bye.